10 best cancer-fighting foods you should eat more often. According to the World Health Organization, cancer is the #1 disease globally that kills more people worldwide each year than any other disease. Cancer is a generic term for a group of diseases, referred to as malignant tumors or neoplasms. According to the World Health Organization stats, the deadliest is breast cancer, which kills more people than any other type of cancer, followed by lung cancer, colon and rectum cancer, prostate cancer, skin cancer, stomach cancer, etc. So, knowing how dangerous and deadly this disease called cancer is, if you were given an option to save your life by eating the right foods, would you do it? Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. Cancer is an awful illness that can catch you by surprise and change your life completely. It is a condition that has been increasingly linked to chronic inflammation. So whether it runs in your family or you want to reduce your risk for developing it, make it a point of duty to nourish your body with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant foods, cancer-fighting superfoods. Here are the 10 best cancer-fighting foods you should eat more often. 1. Apples. Apples offer excellent health benefits. Apart from improving gut health and preventing cardiovascular disease, apples have been shown to reduce the risk for certain cancers. According to a study review published by Plantamedica, fresh apples, apple juice, and other apple products can prevent breast, skin, and colon cancers. Additionally, this fruit has shown great potential in preventing lung cancer. 2. Blackberries. Berries are an excellent source of bioactive compounds that offer plenty of health benefits to the human body. According to a study published by the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, these benefits reduce the risk for heart disease and inflammation disorders. Among the most beneficial berries are blackberries, which protect against numerous types of cancers. For maximum benefits, it is better to consume fresh blackberries rather than blackberry products. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a wonder spice, most often used in desserts and beverages. However, this is a superfood with many beneficial properties. For example, a study published by BMC Cancer has pointed out that cinnamon is anti-diabetic, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-tumor. Its anti-cancer effects are especially astounding because it has the power to inhibit tumor growth. 4. Cranberries. Cranberries are rich in phytochemicals that have significant effects on the body. Specifically, this berry helps prevent heart disease, reduce inflammation within the body, and fight bacterial pathogens. Additionally, a study published by the Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition has pointed out that it offers protection from cancer. You can gain its health benefits both from fresh berries and cranberry products alike. 5. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are incredibly rich in beneficial nutrients that help improve skin health, prevent heart disease, boost weight loss, and even ease symptoms of menopause. Additionally, according to a clinical study published by Clinical Cancer Research, flax seeds can reduce the growth of tumors in women with breast cancer. 6. Nuts. According to a study published by the British Journal of Nutrition, people who eat nuts on a regular basis are at low risk of developing cancers. Additionally, the study pointed out that nut consumption is associated with lower mortality. Among the best nuts you should eat more of are almonds, walnuts, and hazelnuts. 7. Papaya. Carotenoids are known for their anti-cancer effects. Among the best sources of this healthy plant pigment are tomatoes and carrots. However, according to a British Journal of Nutrition study, papayas are a better source of this cancer-fighting nutrient. To maximize its benefits, consume fresh, ripe papayas on a regular basis. 8. Pineapples. Pineapples are among the best sources of bromelain, which is an enzyme with potent anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. In fact, according to a study published by Biomedical Reports, consuming pineapples regularly does not just lower your risk for certain cancers, but can also help inhibit the growth of tumors that have already formed. 9. Plums. Plums are rich in antioxidants that help fight cancer. A study published by the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry identified red-fleshed plums as fruits with potent anti-cancer effects. Most specifically, these fruits help prevent or suppress estrogen-dependent breast cancer. Yellow-fleshed peaches offer similar health benefits. 10. Turmeric. Turmeric is an incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. As such, it is used as a natural remedy for several severe ailments. According to a study published by Cancer Prevention Research, its curcumin content makes it a potent anti-cancer food, specifically for colon cancer. Turmeric has been shown to suppress the growth of 3 different types of colon cancers. Whether you already have cancer, are at risk of it because of your family history, or looking to minimize your risk for this dreadful illness, fill your diet with these cancer-fighting foods. These will help reduce inflammation in your body, fight cancer-causing free radicals, and improve your health overall so that you may live a long and active life. Following our study references we used to create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.